A lot of time I'm said that David, how can you help me in just one way to get success on Fiverr? And my simple answer is, hey, I can help you to get success on Fiverr by helping you to optimize and find the right gig. And people are like, nah, David, this thing is never work, okay? And I believe, because of the years of experience that I have, is this is the one and only thing you need to know. You need to know what is the right gig to work upon, what is the right gig to post upon, what how to do the research to find a right gig on Fiverr, and that's what we're gonna be uncovering in this video. So if you're someone who has been trying to search online and find out that how to make money on Fiverr, and specifically on Fiverr how to make money and how to rank on Fiverr, basically you have created a gig, you are not getting orders and just trying all your best things out in order to get success, make sure you watch this video till the end. I have a lot of content for you and a very basic surprise for all of you in this video. So stay tuned, have a complete watch of this, and I'll jump on my computer to show you what and how the thing's gonna work. So hi, here I am. You can see me on the right hand side in the corner. Okay, I'm not like as cool as this guy, but I hope I'm a little bit cool, yeah. So this is Fiverr.com. People come here to sell out their services, to sell the information they have, and to do things online. Okay, how do you find perfect gig? Okay, to sell on this platform. Here is my step one. Step one is always go through these categories: one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, and nine. So these are the categories at the top. Make sure you open each and every single category. Okay, and the one thing that you need to focus upon is in what category there is a new service and you can go and offer that service out. So I remember we have a one person in our course. So I have multiple courses. In that we have one guy called as Nikit, and he offers a service which is really new. It's a service that comes under YouTube, but it talks a lot about not actually creating the content, but something around the lines. Okay. Now my work does not permits me to tell you the exact services because it creates a monetary loss for the person, but I can tell you the one thing that he has did was he find out a gig category that was of YouTube and that was in trend. Okay. And that was something new as well. So now what you have to do is, first of all, very start. Okay. At the top, you can see all this category. These are the categories to work on the platform. This thing, first of all, make sure you go through each and every single category. For example, if you can provide graphic designing services, you would go through the category of graphic and design. Now after you open this graphic and design category, you will be bombarded with so much options that are there in the graphic design category only. Okay, not like in general, but how much options are there. So you don't have to focus on everything. Okay, this is strategy one. I'll tell you three strategies. This is just one of the strategy. Is click on graphic and design, and you don't have to go on every single option. Make sure you see what's new. Okay, you don't have to go with the options which are already old, on which you have a lot of competitor. Okay, you have to find what's the new category. Okay, now every category has some subcategory in it. Okay, for example, a graphic design category would have a lot of subcategories in it. For example, here you can see logo in the graphic design category: logo design, brand style guides, game art. So after, at the end, you don't have a new. Okay, when you go at the bottom, you see some new categories like landing page design, website designing, app designing, email design. Yeah, that's so cool na. Icon designing. Okay, the other day I saw a video, I think so, on some other YouTuber who said that he's making a lot of money with this icon design category. Okay, your first focus is work in a category. Okay, work in a category where you have the option of new. Which is new? The reason you work in a new category is isn't a lot of competition in that category. Okay, if there's no if there's not high competition, it is good for you in order to get success in that specific category. Okay, now for example, you find out a category, let me just pull it up, is okay, so fashion design was clicked, but I don't know nothing. Okay, like as a person, you know that, like if you see me, you'll be like, "Arey, isko kya fashion pata hoga?" And that's the reality. I don't know anything about fashion. I'm very bad at doing things, but yeah, I know a lot about landing page design. Like I have worked like crazy in the category of logo designing. So let me clear your drawings and get inside the landing page design. Now what is a landing page? A landing page is where you land, actually initially where you land and you get all the information. For example, if you just go on my website, which is devrasing.com/go to, if you go there, you'll see a landing page. Okay, a landing page is the specific web page where you get all the necessary information. Now this is called a landing page. Now you can see that this is a new category. Okay, inside this new category, if you go at the bottom here, you can see there are orders, man. There are three orders here, three orders here, one order here, three orders here, and people are making good money in this category. So this is my step one: find the category which are trending. Okay, this is my step one, process one. Find the categories that are trending, find the categories. So you can see this guy Andrew Webb has close to 7 orders right now being delivered. Okay, yep, that's what you need to focus. Help and get in the category where competition is less. Now a WordPress guy would be like, Dave, I can design WordPress pages, why not call my WordPress pages as landing pages and give them as a landing page design? That's how you have to become very unique. You have to become very precise. Play with your mind. Okay, don't fall for the competition. This is my step one, strategy one. Strategy two is using and utilization of this search option. Okay, now what is utilization of this search option? Okay, remember, a lot of time when we do something, we fall short of going deep. Okay, remember, the deeper you go on Fiverr, the more you understand about the platform, or the more opportunities you get. Okay, so that's the general rule. Okay, the more you research about something, you get more deeper into it, and then you can make more profits from it as compared to a newbie. So what I have done here is go on the find services option and let's go with any random shit. So landing page design. So now landing pages can be done with a lot of softwares. There is one software which can help you to create landing pages is ClickFunnels. Now, when I search this thing called as ClickFunnels, now I'm getting some ideas. Okay, this is called ideation point. Okay, when I have written ClickFunnels, this services which is shown here. Okay, let me just take a screenshot of this part. Okay, let me take a screenshot and now show you the screenshot. Okay, so that recommendation that is given by Fiverr here is not their own recommendation. Okay, these recommendation are not just like कि वो रात को उठे और सुबह किए and then they started representing you or telling you that they मतलब ये recommended होगा. So the reason they came to this conclusion, or the reason they are having or showing this recommendation, is because of the thing called as artificial intelligence and machine learning, which means their system has understood that if someone is searching ClickFunnels, they might write this thing at the end, which means either they might run either they might search ClickFunnels sales funnel, or they might search ClickFunnels landing page, or they might search ClickFunnels expert. So what you get here when you do the search like this, or you just stop at doing the search, you get ideas. What you get is ideas. Now if you, let's go and do some research. Okay, the more, remember, the key here is to niche down. You have to go below, try to niche down. Okay, you don't get orders at the top of the funnel, you just have to go down and down and down. Where there are a lot of competition, the chances of you getting the order initially goes very low. So you have to go down and down. So now you get one idea. Okay, like let me just save this thing and move on here. So let's go with the option called as ClickFunnels sales funnel. Now ClickFunnel is a software, just do a Google search and you'll get to understand. Okay, my friend, and you can do this. See, these are just in representation, you can do it for any business. Okay, any business on the planet. Now here we are on the search category of ClickFunnels sales funnel. We have 5137 sellers. So this is a very high number of sellers. Okay, and you cannot go with this high number of sellers. So remember, when we did the search of ClickFunnels, like a competition is way too high. So when I click on ClickFunnels and then I go on ClickFunnels landing page, let's try to analyze the competition here. On this we have 5159 people. Okay, so let's try to make it more niche down. ClickFunnels landing page, just ClickFunnels coaches coaches. So guys, when I did a search for this keyword called as ClickFunnels coaches, I came to a search where we have just three services available now. uh Three services is not good, so now we can go with something called as uh, coaches. Okay, let's go with ClickFun so click funnel now. If you can do the click funnel thing, you can also do a software called as Katra. Okay, there's, see, again, these are the landing page building softwares that you can always do a Google search. The people who work on ClickFunnels can also work on Katra, and the people who need a ClickFunnels service can also get a Katra service. So now when we did a search for Katra, we have 846 services available. That is a good amount of searches. Okay, so these are the three steps. Now this is something, Katra is something that in which I would go and create a gig for. Okay, this is a category in which I would go. So landing page is a new category, so my main category of the things would be landing pages. I'll create my gig inside the landing page category. What specific keyword for which I would create my category is Katra. I'll optimize my gig for Katra. Step 1, find a category which is new and try to research all the categories inside the categories option at the top. Step 2 is try to go and search out with those search terms what people are actually searching for in your. So you know about landing pages, what are the landing page software, what people actually searching. It all comes down to people searches. And once you find something, try to go deeper and deeper with the keywords, try more testing. You need to have a gig inside a suite number category. A suite number is where you have sellers in between 500 seller to 2500 seller. That's called a suite number. uh, made for you match, where you can go and start working on it. You don't want very less seller like 5 6 10 100 and 200 sellers. You want a category where there are more than 500 seller, which means the services is in demand. And then you want a category where like there are not way too much competition. Like if you go and search for the category like WordPress, you have close to like approximate 90,000 sellers giving out that service. So make sure, if you like this video, just hit that subscribe button here at the bottom, wo aise hi baitha hai, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like it. And if you have any questions, okay, if you have any questions, go below, comment down, and I'm there to help you out. Thank you.